All right, what's up everyone? Thanks for joining me for another one. So I got a 240 video for you. Gonna be working on this car over here. This one. What are we gonna do? Oh, let me actually show you the part. It's on the car. I'll explain in a second.
This is a rear bash bar by these guys, True Focus Fabrication.
It's on the car because I just wanted to see how it fit up. It's a really simple install. It's only 4 bolts that hold it on. I'm gonna take it back off to do like an install video and take some better angles and stuff like that for you. It's very dark. It's very dark. Hold on. I'm gonna take it back off, get some better shots of it, all the welds and stuff, because it is pretty crispy. And the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna paint it. So I actually put up a poll on my Instagram. Check it out right here. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, because I do random stuff like this every once in a while. Took a vote, and obviously you see that paint it won. So we're gonna take this back off, we're gonna paint this thing up, and then we're gonna slap it back on. We'll do a little quick video, and we'll talk about it in a minute. So like I said 2 seconds ago, it is by these guys, True Focus Fabrication. I think a couple of the YouTubers have it. I paid for this myself. They didn't give it to me for free, but I do have a 10% off discount code. So if you use this code on their website, I will link their website down below. Use this code right here, get 10% off. Also, if you have, like they have for like Miata 350Z, maybe 370Z, s14, s13. They have for different cars, and they can make you some custom stuff too. So go check them out. All right, so let's bring it in closer to this thing and check it all out. Welds over here. Alright, so this is the hardware you get with it. So the 4 bolts to mount it. If you get a toe point, you get a extra bolt with a nut, sticker, card, a little thank you note, personally written. Quality so far seems very nice. So we're gonna paint this thing up. You can get this with or without the jack point. I don't know what it actually looks like without that. I'm assuming maybe it's just this upper piece. You can get it with or without the toe point here. You can do left or right side. I did right side with jack point, so that's how mine looks. We're gonna paint it. Hopefully I have enough paint. Gonna paint it gold. I decided I was gonna go gold. Some of my options were, I guess, white, which I don't want white. It's gonna blend into the bumper too much. It's gonna blend into the rest of the car too much. Black is always an option. I have plenty of black spray paint, so that could be an outcome. Purple, but I don't have a purple to match my wheels / engine. I do have this one purple I used to paint my subframe, but it's a lot brighter. Then gold is the other option. Gold, I painted a bunch of the arms on the subframe gold. My calipers are gold. The engine bay is gold. So this might be my best bet. And like I said earlier, it's 4 bolts to take it in and out. So if I hate how it looks, I can always take it out and repaint it. I realize probably most of you have no idea what purple I'm talking about, since maybe this is the first video of mine you're watching. So if that's true, hit that subscribe button. This is the purple. I mean, it's like purple, gloss blue, whatever that is. That, hyacinth, whatever. Hold on. So, this is the purple of my wheels. Now, gold purple-ish. I can try to look under the car now. Oh, God. That's subframe and arms, obviously. So, no one's ever going to see that to match the bash bar to it. But the arms, like I did say, gold calipers. Give this thing a couple coats of paint, probably behind the garage in the dirt, and we'll be back when we're ready to install it. It's gonna need some time to dry, so I'm probably gonna do other stuff like oil change on the truck. So that's 1 coat of paint on it. Probably give it at least 2 more if I have enough spray paint for it, and then I might actually clear coat it. just to give it an extra layer of protection. So we will be back when it's ready to go in the car. Painted, got a nice thick coat of clear coat on it. Didn't come out 100% because I did do it on the side of my garage in the dirt. But it is a bash bar and it is going to be underneath the bumper eventually when that body kit comes in. Let me go get this thing. I'll just show you here. We got a hole there, which I tried to, I don't know if I made it large enough, but that's where my battery goes. Battery goes there. Hole there. 2 on the other side. 1 and 2. Just slides in there. It slides in right above that thing. And it holds in through there. So let me go get it and try to slide this in and bolt it up. Funny story about this coach strap. Ordered this off Amazon. It's supposed to be purple. Comes like this. Obviously not purple. Try to get a return. They want a reason. Reason is because it's not purple. Send me pictures. Send pictures of strap not purple. Can't tell in the pictures. We're not going to refund you. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark to get more videos and shots of this thing because I think it looked pretty awesome being gold. Glad I chose gold. I'm glad everyone voted for painting. So once again, follow me on Instagram. Maybe you could choose the next thing I do to the car thing. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark to get a bunch of videos. I'm gonna get some now and then, but you're not gonna have to wait for that. So here comes the edit. Boom. Alright, so that was my, over here a little bit more I guess. That was my horrible excuse for an edit. Hopefully it looked good to you guys. Alright, so once again, True Focus Fabrication. I'll link their website down below in the description. Use this code right here, 10% off. Awesome. Once again, said it at the beginning, say it again, I paid for this with my own money. Actually using this discount code for 10% off. I was looking through a couple. I believe the other option really for these cars are Street Faction, and I did hear that it takes a while to get the Street Faction. Then I saw this company look cool, and I figured let me try it out. Let me try out the smaller company, see how it works. And so far I'm very happy with it. The build quality seems to be really good. I didn't jack the car up from that yet because I still need to make some little like boards to put under the jack so I don't break my Swiss tracks. I mean, I don't think they'll break, but still, don't want to chance it. Just need to figure out a spot to mount my license plate now because it doesn't come with license plate mounts. The Street Faction one does. And like I was saying earlier, you could get it with or without the toe point, left or right also, and then with or without the jack point. And I don't know how that one's gonna look. But overall, pretty excited. Go check out the website. They have different stuff. It doesn't only have to be this bash bar. They have ones for other cars too, fronts also. So I will see you guys in the next one, and subscribe, like, comment, and peace out.
This thing fucking boogie.